So I am putting the finishing touches on my model in Blender, and something that I do at the end of my process is create a mouth bag. And as you can see, I'm inside the head now looking at that mouth bag. And I do this by just extruding out the edge loops of the mouth inward and then capping them off at the end. But as you can see here, this inner edge loop is very crooked, and what I want is an oval shape or just a round shape, and it's not easy to scale my way out of this, unfortunately. So what I need to do is use a special extension that is within Blender that'll help me define this loop as a circle. So first off, you need to make sure that you have this extension. So I'm gonna go to Edit, Preference, and then not add-ons, but get extension. And I'm going to search LoopTools. Now, you probably will not have it added on just yet. I've installed mine. I'm not gonna uninstall it, but yeah, so you're gonna click install, and once that is installed, you just wanna make sure that if you search LoopTools in the add-ons, it's checked off, just like that. So once you have that, you wanna select N, the letter N on your keyboard, and I have these little tabs here on the right side. I'm gonna go down to Edit, and then yours will look like this. I can see there's a circle option. This is exactly what I'm looking for. There are other options too, and these can be helpful in other scenarios, but in this video, I just wanna go over the circle, so that's what we're gonna do. Hit circle, and look at that, perfect, a perfect circle. And now if I wanna scale it kind of sideways, I can make it more of an oval shape. And I can also do the same thing with this end piece. So I also want that to be more circular. So if I select, oops, and then I'm just shift selecting the sides. There we go. And then I hit circle. Perfect. So now this mouth bag is way more of a mouth bag shape and clean and ready to be fixed up and smoothed out. So that's it. I hope that you found this video useful. I'm really excited about this LoopTools option, and there are definitely other ways you can use this that are also super beneficial. So thanks for joining. I have a whole playlist on Blender, and I just appreciate you watching.